How to schedule your mail. To schedule your mail for a particular date to send to some user, then this video is for you. To do so, first of all, launch your mail application and make sure that you have logged into it. Then hit on the three lines from the top left corner and go through the schedule. Here you can see all of the lists that you have scheduled. Then simply hit on the compose. Now write a mail and enter the user to whom you want to send the mail. Then hit on the three dots which is on the top right, and then from here you can schedule your mail. Simply select the date and then you are good to go. In this very easy step, you can easily schedule your mail to send. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.